Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a 2023 Shadow Pro Series. So this is the high end of their brand. Super nice trailer. It's pretty flashy in black. I've got the doors open right now, but you definitely need to zoom back to the website and look at the pictures of it. So super classy black trailer, black skin. It is all aluminum. It is 7'6" tall, 6'9" wide. It is a one-piece roof. Again, it is all aluminum skin frame floor. A couple of things about it. It's 2 5/16 ball. That's standard on all Shadows. It does have the gravel guard on the nose. Super lightweight. Empty weight on this trailer, I'm gonna say, is around 3,800. I'm guessing just based on the fact that I used to sell these new. Get a better number for you when we do the ad. 2 full escape doors with 2 drop down windows with bars, aluminum wheels. It does have the lower extrusion there above the 2 tire sliders on the back. It has a ramp with Dutch doors. Those doors can stay clipped back in transit. It is a very lightweight, spring-loaded ramp. The horse box is nice, big, and open. It has chest and butt bars, actual bars, not straps. Fully lined and insulated horse box. 2 fans at the head side, 2 roof vents at the head side. It does have, and I'm going to scoot under this bar, excuse me guys, it does have a head divider that is removable. All these this whole divider is removable if you wanted to take this completely out. Again, this is 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall, so very big and open. Big horses, this is a good trailer for big horses, warm bloods, what have you. Even Belgians, something of that size would fit in here nicely at the 6'9" wide. Most of your bumper pulls, straight loads, are more like 6'7", 6'8", 6'6", and even 6 wide. So this one being 6'9" is nice. Don't really have any scratches, dents, or anything. There might be a little scuff here, little scuff here. It's actually hard to see in the black. Trailer's in excellent shape. It's been lightly used. Horse box was immaculate. I didn't really kind of touch on that. Let me go back. There's absolutely no issues in the horse box. One mat does have a little tear, very small tear. Other than that, horse box, no real issues here. Oh, it does have the head bumpers, which is nice. Rear load light as well. All LED lights on this trailer. Again, running boards to step up on both sides. It does have a dressing room. It does have a walk-through door as well. So 2 full escape doors as well as a walk-through door. You've got a blanket bar, 2 bridle hooks, 2 saddle racks with a place to put a 3rd, brush box, and spare. And this is a very big front dressing room. So again, walk-through door. Light on the interior. Super clean. No issues with the dressing room. Door's gonna shut on me. So now you can kind of see the graphics in the black. It's a real pretty trailer. Again, 2023 Shadow Pro Series 2-horse straight load bumper pull. Lightly used. This trailer's in excellent condition. It's not real heavy. Great for big horses. This is Ashley. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. We do leave these up even when they do sell. So you need to call me to see if it's sold. We usually put it in the description if it's sold. We also do not put price in our YouTube. Please give me a call or text me 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.